What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to the first video of 2021. Completely different video to what I'd be hopefully doing because of the COVID situation, obviously, that's still going on in the world. That isn't happening yet, so this is what I'm going to have to deal with at the moment. Bit of exciting news though, I've got a new camera today, so hopefully it'll be making the videos a bit better, and I can do hopefully more with it. So currently I'm using my trusty iPhone 11 Pro. Sadly at the moment I'm using the front facing camera, and in low light such as this it's not as good. The other cameras on the back are much better, obviously. I use the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal, my trusty tripod, and on really windy days or when I'm outside I have the Rode Mic Pro, I believe it is. So I'm now converting over to another DJI product that I've been eagerly sort of watching. I think it's only been out a month or so. It magically appealed into a store that I use quite a lot to order products. Watched a few videos the other night on the products in question, and liked what I saw. One of the things that I didn't even think was possible without editing is actually possible just using this new camera. Crack a cold can, and it's hot. Lovely. Right, let's have a look at the product. So the product is the new DJI Osmo Pocket 2. I went with the Creator Pack, which gives me a little bit more functions, accessories. So obviously this one includes the camera itself, like the case or cover we call it, the micro tripod, mini control stick, tripod mount, USB splitter, charger cable, wide angle lens, smartphone adapters for Lightning and USB-C, the do-it-all handle, and the wireless microphone windscreen, which is like a dead cat, which is what I use on my Rode microphone. Wireless microphone transmitter, so I have like a little microphone that I've got myself and a strap. So there it is. Hopefully that's not out of focus. Some of the bits it has. What's in the box? I already told you what's in the box. Got myself a memory card that says I kind of need a memory card for it. I'm hoping I can still transfer everything over to my current setup for editing. So in the box, greeted with the camera itself and presumably the accessories. Look, got padding on there. Pardon me. So here's the camera itself. Not very big, is it? Amazing little thing. Oh, pregnant already. Can't really open it that way. Wow, look at that. How tiny is that? That's just going to be so good. Because the part of the problem with my current setup is it's difficult. Like I have to carry multiple bags around, and it's not as this is just easy to pull out your pocket. So there's the camera. Let's put that back in there quickly. There, so that's a nice little travel case, keep that in there. So pop that there. So in here, we'll get to that bit in a moment. We've got a little tab here. Oh wow! Look at that. So that'll be, I think that's just the base. So you can screw on your like tripod connector, you still get your cable in there, charging. This one I believe is so this is a wireless microphone, so I can got a little clip on the back, so I can put that on my collar, and then I don't have to worry about being too far away from the camera, so I don't have problems with audio. And you can also put that like dead cat thing on under the windscreen, they call it. This is the do-it-all handle, which again connects on the bottom. Got another connector on the bottom. These are quite expensive. On their own, they're like £95. Crazy money. This does a few things. So as you said, it's called do-it-all handle. You can do a few things with it. I'll get into it more in a moment. And then the tripod, little mini tripod, like that. That folds out like that. Obviously, you screw it on the bottom. And what I've been told is a lot of this will actually fit into the case with the camera in it, which is pretty impressive. That's that bit there, so you've got all that. That is just your owner's manual, quick startup guide, as you'd expect from any product. It's got a bit of padding on the back as well to keep all that nice and neat. Very impressive, typical DJI, very high quality. So this will be the little dead cat thing, microphone windscreen as they like to call it. Really nice sticky bag, I can't use it. There we go. Nice, got a little connector on top there, so it's clips on top. That's your little microphone muff. So this is the little controller, like a, what do they call it? Mini control stick, is the term they call it. So most of the controls with this camera are touchscreen. So you control the camera via the touchscreen. However, you can slide this little panel out here, like so. There's a series of different things you can plug in here, one of them being this joystick. You slide that in there, that's got electrical contact in there and there. You slide that one in there, and you've now got a joystick and another accessory button. That's typical like your DJI Osmo gimbal, that keeps that nice and you've got more control rather than actually you having to use the touchscreen function. Because obviously whilst you're trying to film, you've got your finger over the screen, because the screen is small on these, which is why they give you these smartphone connections, because you can actually plug your phone into the side of it, will be here, and then you've got a larger screen, so you can control it there, but yeah, it gives you more visibility to show what you're actually filming. So here is the wide angle lens, which will be awesome. Hopefully loads of ultra wide angle shots in the future. So these are magnetic as well, so they just literally go straight onto the front of the screen, front of the camera lens. You can also buy a set of RF filters, so they might block out different levels of sunlight depending on the conditions you're filming in. And here looks like one of the connectors that you can plug your phone into. Now, so that plugs into that little port there I was talking about a moment ago that has the, you can plug the controller onto. So there we go. This is the one, this is the lightning one, which will obviously be the one I use because I use an iPhone and rather than Android. Not that I have anything against Android, just what I choose to use. So that's there. Those on the side there, so that's slide to there. You can connect your phone. There is obviously a USB-C one for Android users. Sure is in there somewhere. I think that's next up. That's that one there. Not really involved taking that out back in, I can use it. Strap, so you don't drop it. Nice DJI logo there. Nice quality. You know, again, what I expect from DJI. This is the cable, charge cable, when I can get it out. The cool thing I like about this one, because you've got all the wireless microphone and you've got all the other bits, this one's a splitter. So you can charge two of the USB devices at once, so I can charge the camera and the microphone at the same time, rather than having to go find another separate plug. Cool little idea. I like that a lot. DJI logos on there. Cool. On there, sorry. Yep, happy with that. So this is the camera set up, these little protective pads in there as well, you've got to take them out. So this piece here, that's your touch screen. Obviously there's a protective sticker over it at the moment. Yeah, so there's a little camera there. It is tiny, but and it's so light, it's going to be so easy for me to film from now on, going out to car shows, doing reviews, filming my own projects. I can just literally whack this on a tripod and crack on. You know, I'll have the wireless microphone, so audio quality should be better. I think personally it's going to be a massive help to the growth of this little quick test. Right, how about what we've got, so I've got to set it up first. I've been told that you've got to connect your phone up to it straight away and use it. It is quite a phone related product, being part of their mobile range. So I mean, you know, for that, that's amazing. Brilliant. Really excited to use it. Oh, wow. That quickly went back to perch. Brilliant. Happy with that. I can't obviously show you the setup procedure because my current setup is using my iPhone, which is part of the reason why I went through this sort of upgrade, because you know, if I'm at a car show and I'm using my phone as my main camera, you know, by the time I finish doing the show and doing the my back is drained and I'm supposed to charge it, and it's just it's a fact. Having this in my pocket will make things so much better. The camera is meant to be crazy. It's, you know, 4K, up to 60 frames per second. It does slow mo. It does all the time lapse. It does. I can't remember what's called. This is the thing that mainly interested me. Is it will do a time lapse, but it will like gimbal, so it will actually like do a pan, and it will move while you're doing a time lapse. I'll show all this in future videos and stuff, but yeah. So boys and girls, lighting's terrible in here. Hair's a mess. Definitely need a corona cut. Obviously with all the hairdressers being barbers being closed because of our lockdowns in the UK, I can't go out and get a haircut. Yes, I could do it myself. Maybe I will at the weekend. Right, so anyway, this isn't my typical kind of video. I don't really want to be doing more of these unboxing things. I was just quite... I thought to myself, yeah, maybe everyone would want to see what they like to come out of the box. Make sure it wasn't damaged because it came with Yodel. Yeah, I just thought I wanted to share that like sort of experience, see what you guys sort of thought, guys and girls. I think the way they boxed it's pretty cool. In fact, everything's at the bottom of my typical DJI, the same sort of thing I got with my DJI Osmo Mobile 3, which has now been superseded by the Osmo 4. Yeah, so I'm not going to do lots of this sort of style video. It's mainly just I wanted to see if anyone else would be interested in that, and sort of share that experience. As I've already said, I'm rambling. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully, well, we've got no idea. Government's got no idea. Hopefully once things get back to normality, I can carry on with more videos. Once the weather improves, obviously I've got loads to do on the CRZ. Also got a few bits to do on the Jazz. Been stockpiling parts over the winter. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you don't hate this video too much, and have a great day or evening, whatever time you're in. See ya.